I haven't scrolled in over 10 months, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly what you need to do to start your journey of reducing your screen time. So first, I will just tell you how you can join the challenge, then I will explain it. So you can join it by clicking the link in bio, or you can click the link in the description, join the community, and then you can find the step-by-step on how to exactly execute this. So first, what you need to do is you need to announce your participation into the school community. So the school community is the link on the bio, on the description, etc., etc. Then you need to act by binary rules. Binary rules meaning that you either did something wrong or you did not do something wrong. In this case, it's scrolling. So what does it actually mean to scroll? It means like, what does it mean to scroll? It means to go onto social media and swipe your finger from one piece of vertical short video to the next. And obviously, if you like swipe with your elbow, it's still like watching short form content, but just to set it up into the binary rules. So yeah, announce your participation, act by binary rules. Step number 3, sticking to the challenge. This is where you create a commitment contract. A commitment contract is where you write out, oh, I, Jonas, will not scroll any short form content for the next 7 days till the 17th of April 2026. And if I do it within that time period, I will do set consequence or something like that. Then step 3.5 is you post your commitment contract into the community so that the other members can see it, so that you get the accountability from the other members, you get feedback, oh yeah, you could maybe write it like that, or yeah bro, be wary of this, etc., etc., right? Step 4 is completing the challenge. You go the 7 days without scrolling, you stay active, etc., etc. And then there are some optional actionable steps that you can take, such as downloading app blockers to increase friction, etc., etc. And you can make daily updates into the community as well. And then obviously make a post into the community when you've completed your, what's it called? Like the 7-day challenge, right? I know this was a bit of a messy video. I had no script for it or anything like that. So yeah, go take some action. Click the link in bio, click the link in the description, etc., etc. Join the community, start the 7-day challenge, and start reducing your screen time. So go take some action, bro.